Hey guys, welcome back to one of I think this is the final video for Brushstroke tool. Here we will talk about UV uh UV stuff. Okay, first of all UV stuff, vertex groups, material assigning, and finally masking for Brushstroke tools. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, let me delete the layer and then attach a fill layer onto this cube. Okay, I don't think cube is gonna work. Hold on, let me select something more complex like a monkey. All right, so you have your monkey by Shift A, Shift A, mesh, and select monkey. There you go. You have yourself a monkey. All right. Now don't let the complex geometry scare you a bit because it's gonna be fun, right? Let's put a fill brush stroke onto this monkey. And hold on, let me increase the density of it. All right, we have our monkey in blue, the blue monkey. First of all, let me toggle off the eyes. Actually, yeah, right. Okay, as you can see here, the brush stroke is a bit messy, you can say. Let me use edit flow and then change the way it looks for a bit. You can manipulate the brush strokes, the generated brush strokes real time by uh, drawing guidelines for them. Like if there's a nose somewhere here, I think. All right, and then this, and then this, and then this. Let me decrease the brush length because this is too big. Brush width. All right. Now increase the text brush scale. Let's decrease the brush scale so that it does not extrude too much at the ear. And then increase the density a bit, not too much. 20 seems fine. All right, we have, oh God. Okay, let me delete this and do it again. Because I screw up on the nose. Brush width, brush length, and then brush scale, and then density. Put 20 here. Right, we have our monkey. And then let's draw a nose. I'm using a mouse here, so the stroking is not as precise. But you feel free to use a pen for this tutorial. I'm trying to do as detailed as possible to follow along the curve of the monkey. And then this. Aha. It is advisable for you to put multiple layers on top of this monkey and then play with the seed a bit. The seed changes position of the brush strokes, make it seem so it is really detailed. Decrease the density a bit if you want, and if you want to make it a little bit fancy, decrease the opacity strength. And if you want to save resource on more brush strokes, you can go to its original monkey, and then go to Material tab, press New, and then change the base color. And we have our monkey, blue. It looks like the brush stroke make all the colors blue, but instead we have the main mesh blue, and then apply the brushstroke geometry thing, and then make it look like it's all hand painted to save more resource. Okay, so let me name this monkey as the material. But for keepsake, let me put it on green so we can see the detail first. As you can see, the eyes and the mouth is covered. All of it is covered by the brush stroke. Now, why would you? You might ask why, because we didn't properly assign guidelines for this tool to operate on. So how should we fix that? Is that we shut off the brushstroke tools entirely, right? And then go to edit mode. Now here we will talk about vertex groups, which is this little data here at the bottom right corner. Okay, data group, you can select, let's select the mouth, shall we? One, two, and then select your mouth by pressing 3 for face, 2 for edges, 1 for vertices. So right now I'm selecting the mouth for 3 for the face, and then control plus, remember control, and then the plus icon to increase the selections of your selected mesh. And then you can go ahead create new group here. Let's put this as a mouth and then assign this. So what this vertex group is that it allows you to select a bunch of vertices and put it in a layer. It's like basically Photoshop, but this time you can this time is for vertices. You can select the vertices by pressing, after you assign the vertices into the layer, you can select the layer, then press select, and it will automatically select all the assigned vertices within the layer. So let me do it on the mouth. Okay, let me do it for the eyes as well. So this is, oh, so this is a different mesh. Wow, that's something new. Okay, let me select this. Go to solid mode. All right, good. And then select the sockets, the whole of the monkey. Don't select the eyeball. Apparently, it's a different mesh. Monkeys. Let's put it right. Eye socket. Okay, and then go to this one. Oh yeah, also if you want to go through like solid wireframe rendered material, press Z. Z for zero. Z, right? Press Z and then so if you want to select an edge loop, click, left click, selecting an edge loop like a circle, and then Control plus to increase selection. Let me put in left eye side aside. Did I did I select? No, no, I didn't do it for. Oops, aside. Now to test if the layering works, you can deselect everything by pressing away from the monkey and then press select on your desired group. Make sure to deselect it if you want to check individual group layers. If you decide to select another group layer and press select again, it will add the selection to already existing selection of vertices that you previously selected. All right, good. Okay, all the vertex groups are working. That's good. Now let's move on to assigning materials for the masking. So how the masking works, all right? Let me press the button. Material. How the masking works is that it uses materials. Like if you, okay, hold on, my computer crashed, my blender crashed, right? So right now we only have one materials on the monkey itself, right? Okay, monkey itself. So what can we do to make sure it's separate so we can select the material? One thing we can do is we shut off the layer brushstroke so easier, and then go to edit mode. Oh yeah, if it's really uh kind of invisible like this, you can press this button here, toggle X-ray, shut it off. Okay, so what you want to do is assign the materials or color groups onto the different parts of the vertices of this monkey. So how we do, remember our previous layer, we can select the mouth, right? And then go to material tab, add a new material, and then press new, and then change the colors however you want, and then say mouth. Okay, there we go. We have a new material. Now to assign the material onto the mouth is that you select the vertices and select the material tab and press assign. And there we go. You have your mouth. You have colored your mouth. Congratulations. Now let's do it for all the eye sockets. Uh, let's do this right eye socket. And then left eye socket. Okay, so go back to vertex layers and then select your right eye socket. All right, it will select the eyes around the eyeball. And then go to material section like before, press the right eye socket and press assign. It may not look like the same, but if you change the colors, you can see that the right eye socket already have a new material by changing it's different. So for the sake of the tutorial, I'll change it to white so that we can see. And then let's go back to the vertex groups and then select the left eye socket and then go to the left eye socket and assign the new material and then change it to white. And voila, a monkey with makeup. Now let's see if this masking works. So let me switch back on everything. Now, okay, I forgot to do one more thing. To make sure that the monkey head material is not assigned to everything, including the mouth and the eye socket that we selected before. Let's select the monkey, go to edit mode by pressing tab again, and select everything. Select every layer that you have chosen before. Now, once you have selected everything, go to select, invert selection. Okay, good. Like this. It inverts all the selections away from what you have chosen. Okay, now go to material, go to monkey head and reassign the material. That way, when you choose the material, it only chooses vertices that are outside your selection. That way, the program, the add-on, knows what to assign the brushstroke stuff onto and what not to. So let's play around with the masking, shall we? So let's enable the masking, then press ID onto the monkey head. This time there is no brushstroke inside the mouth, they're only over it. So we can change everything by pressing width. We can play around with, oh fuck. Hold on. I don't have precise control here, 0.05. Okay, there we go. And then length 0.10. And now the brush strokes are working around the vertices. So it's a matter of editing the flow so that it does not go into the eye. So here, as you can see, it's more successful for the mouth than the eyes. There we go. We have our own vertex groups and masking. we increase the brush scale, let me increase the width, length. Now we can do the same with the other one, only on monkey head. Edit flow. Hmm. Oh yeah, I forgot to enable it. Move around. Maybe I should assign the eye itself. Uh, I forgot to assign the eyes as the right eye socket. Hold on. Let me select the vertex. Okay, let me put in right eye socket, left eye socket. Now this left eye socket assign, then the right eye socket assign. We go back to material preview, and there we go. We have our eye properly aligned. Let me go to hold on. What? Okay, let me put this in left eye socket, please. Let me select. And then right eye socket, select. Okay, I'm back. All right, so let me go back and then select invert again and then assign it onto the object. And hopefully this time, yeah, there we go. It goes around the selected masking and vertices. So there we go. We have masking. You have the fundamentals of masking through vertex groups and material assignment. And I guess, hold on, is it? No, I guess that's it. That's all the materials I want to cover in this brushstrokes tool. So thank you all for watching. I hope I can see you all working with this and have fun with this, especially the John Cena stuff. And I shall see you all on the next time. Bye bye.